Hi guys, welcome back to cladmom.com. This video is about the Medela Freestyle pump. This is a very light portable pump, great for travel. I purchased this pump actually a few months after my baby Bracy was born because I needed to travel to the United States, so I decided it would be good to have a portable pump on hand. So here is the pump, and you're surprised when you buy this at how much oomph can go into a machine that weighs so little. So here's the pump, and let me walk you guys through the power aspect of this. In the back here you can put batteries, and that's actually a really good idea to do if you're traveling, especially if you're going between places that have a different power system, because you want to make sure that you don't have a difficult time with your power cord. Okay, so the power cord actually fits here, and I've got mine here behind me. I wanted to pull it out for you guys. It fits into this round hole here, like this, boom, like that. Now I have the European power cord. You have to be careful with this. You can't just put this into a power adapter and think that you're going to be fine. Some people have had the experience of having their pump blow out. So if you are traveling for a short period of time, I recommend using the batteries. And if you're traveling for a longer period of time, I recommend buying the power cord that's suited to your area. Okay, so anyway, so that's the power cord. On the other side here, there's a triangular plug, and that is where you're going to put your tubing. Now what's nice about the tubing with this pump is that it all comes in one piece like this. This piece that has a darker yellow end to it is going to plug into your pump, and these pieces are going to plug into your connectors to pump out the milk. So here I am, I've got my pump here. I find the triangular plug there. That is where I plug in for my pump parts. And I have my tubing like this, and now I'm going to plug in my connectors. So my connectors work as follows. They each have a membrane piece, a plastic piece that goes inside here. This, you want to keep it clean, and you want to make sure that it's nice and secure within there and there are no gaps, because that can affect the suctioning of your pump. And you just sort of find in there where it fits, like that. You snap it into place, and you want to get that nice like snapping sound to know that it's secure, and then you plug your tubing right into there. This is where you connect your breast shield. Medela makes a bunch of different size breast shields. Go on their website and make sure you have the right size for you. I actually use a 24. This has nothing to do with your breast size. It actually has to do with your nipple size, and you want the right amount of your nipple to be suctioning into the nipple shield. So they make 21, they make 24, and they make larger sizes. You figure out what works for you. So there's where you put in your shield. And finally, your bottle. Here's your bottle. You screw it onto the bottom, and you are ready to go. So that's one side of the pump. I'm going to plug in the other side of the pump, and then we're going to plug it in so you guys can see how the settings work. Okay, so here is my other side. Again, I'll walk through this again. My piece of membrane, I want to make sure this is clean and it's nicely down there, and that when I hit this, I get a nice clicking sound, so I know that everything is tight and secure, because otherwise that can affect my suction. I screw my bottle into the bottom like this, and I attach the tubing to the back of the connector. So now the pump is all assembled and ready to go, and you can see how light and compact it is. I'm now going to plug it in so that I can walk through the settings with you guys. So just one second, and I'll be back with my pump that's plugged in. Hi guys, so I'm back. I now have my power cord in, and I wanted to walk through how to operate this pump once you've got it all set up. So this is your on and off button at the top. You press this when you're ready to start pumping. At the beginning, you'll get a quicker pulse. This is the pulse that's supposed to mimic the way the baby first sucks before you get the letdown. After a bit of time has passed, the pump will kick into this longer suctioning sound, and that indicates that it's mimicking the way the baby sucks when the baby breastfeeds after the initial quicker suction. So anyway, so this is probably what you're going to be using for the duration of your pumping session. If you want to increase the suction, you push on the plus sign. If you want to decrease the suction, you push on the minus sign. And when you're finished pumping, you turn off your pump like that. So anyway, that is the fantastic Medela Swing Maxi Pump. And again, it's a really great pump for travel. It's very light, it's very compact, so give it a try. Thank you so much for watching CloudMom.com, and check back in soon for more videos.